Hey, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 30.
Math Problems number 30. This is a problem from Art of Problem Solving's pre-algebra book from the review section of Chapter 2. The integer 91 is the first integer that can be expressed as the sum of perfect cubes in two different ways, provided we allow negative cubes. Okay? Find the two different ways. Oh, so we're trying to write 91 equals x cubed plus y cubed. Ooh. But how do you think you would even start on a problem like this?
Well, we could check some numbers that would be smaller or bigger, and then we could say it has to be between them.
Yeah, that worked when we were just looking for x cubed would be 91, for example. Then we found some easy cubes and kind of found our way in.
Yep.
Now we're trying to add two cubes together. Tell you what, one way to start on a problem like this would just be to write down what some of the cubes are.
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't we make a chart that goes from 1 up to 10 with our cubes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is going to be, we'll call this the number and then the number cubed. Okay, what's 1 cubed?
1.
2 cubed?
8.
3 cubed?
Is 27.
4 cubed?
64.
5 cubed?
125.
6 cubed?
216.
7 cubed?
7 cubed is 343.
Good job, 343. Do you know what 8 cubed is?
Well, it's going to be 64 times 8.
Yeah.
So, we could do 60 times 8 plus 4 times 8. Well...
Okay, 60 times 8 is?
Well, it's 480.
480. Plus 4 times 8 is?
4 times 8 is 32.
Okay, so it's 480 plus 32.
It's 512.
512, good job. I'll just tell you 9 cubed is 729 and 10 cubed, you know,
Is 1,000.
is 1,000. Okay, so see if you can find two of these that add up to 91. Okay, I'll give you a hint. You're not going to use 729.
Well, we're not going to use anything above 100.
Right, because we're trying to find two that add up to 91 first.
So it can only be two of these 4.
Yeah, so what would be your guess? Which two do you think add up to 91?
Well, I'm going to try 27 and 64.
Great, let's see.
Well, 27 plus 64, 20 plus 60 is 80,
Okay.
and 7 plus 4 is 11, so 80 plus 11 is 91.
Hey, look at that. Okay, so we found one. We found that 91 equals 4 cubed plus 3 cubed.
Cool.
Okay, now there's a second one where it's actually going to be a difference between two cubes. So it's going to actually, that said we allow negative cubes. So if we let y be negative, it would be x cubed minus y cubed on our chart. Okay, so see if you can find ones whose difference is 91. But look here, for example, the difference here, 343 minus 216, the difference here is already bigger than 100,
Yeah.
right? So it can't be anything up here. So see if you can find two that differ by 91.
Let's try these two.
Okay, 125 minus 64.
64.
Okay, so what do you get?
You get 100 minus 40 and 1.
And what is that?
So it's a 59.
What's 100 minus 40?
100 minus 40 is 60.
60 plus 1 is?
60 plus 1 is 61.
61. Okay, so that doesn't work. So 125 minus 64 didn't work.
Let's try these two.
216 minus 125.
Yep.
Okay, what do you get here?
Well, 100 minus 10 1. So 100 minus 10 is 90, and 90 plus 1 is 91.
Hey, there we go. So 91 equals 6 cubed minus 5 cubed, or we could write it as 6 cubed plus minus 5 cubed if we wanted to write it like that.
Ooh.
How about that? That's pretty neat. Good job, sweetie pie. Good job. That was a fun problem, I think. Don't you?
Yeah.
All right. Good job this morning, honey.